Looking at the Inokraft Maxspray M1, this is an airless paint sprayer. Just a couple little things to go over as far as startup, and then we'll get to spraying. Once you have the pickup tube in your bucket of paint, there's a push start valve. You need to push that underneath before you switch the machine to prime. Flip this knob down to prime the machine, and flip it back up to go into spray mode. As far as the pressure dial, have that on the lower end of the spectrum to prime, and then turn it up to high pressure when you're ready to spray. Just drop the intake tube into your can of paint, either 1 gallon or a 5-gallon bucket, to get started. Power switch is right on top. And airless sprayers have on-demand pumps, so they'll shut off automatically. On these 3-dimensional doors, make sure to look for any areas that might have been missed on the first pass. That looks better. This system is really easy to use, even for a beginner, and you just can't beat the quality of a sprayed finish. When you're done spraying, just put the pickup tube into a 5-gallon bucket of water and run the prime cycle. Then just lock the gun in the on position and recirculate the paint from the hose into the bucket as well. Then get a nice clean 5-gallon bucket of water and spray that into an empty bucket. Then just clean the gun itself, that you can do in your utility sink. Just make sure to get inside the handle, remove that filter, and give it a good cleaning. Use the included extension wand to paint your deck or fence. Give your shed a nice new look. Or save a bundle of money by painting your own house. Let's face it, there's a lot of things that need painting, and an airless sprayer is the right tool for the job. You know, I've been spraying airless and HVLP systems for decades, but the nice thing about this Inokraft Maxspray M1, you really don't need that experience to get started. In fact, you'll be laying down a nice sprayed finish within just a matter of minutes. So for ease of use and being beginner friendly, I can highly recommend this Inokraft Maxspray M1 Airless.